Look how long them take with the water. I can't even flush my toilet. Me have to pee in a container. You aim bad like me nerves. So who send you now walking? Failure.
Photo.
I'm here because of my sister.
Them always a send them sister. Them can't send them brother now. Me single.
Chai.
Yeah, you're single and you will die that way.
Yes, but if you play mad, you might die today.
How dare you tell my sister that her body is an orphanage? So what is your body?
A temple. And yours look like an abandoned building.
Oh.
Listen, I don't play about my sister.
And I don't play about myself.
Photo.
Let this be a warning. So next time, you better act right. Right?
And let this be a warning before me squeeze your neck like lemon. You better take it to the left, to the left.
I don't want peace.
You throw something, one big dirty shoes off of me, you better glad say it miss, because if it never miss, your family will be missing you.
Oh, I'm scared. Go easy on me.
One with yourself, Adele. Girl, just please leave this place before it become your cemetery.
Oh.
Are you threatening me, girl? Do you want me to knock you up? What the hell? Is this pee?
Well, it's not. T. Goodbye.